County deputy and his father is going to prison.
Local 12's Larry Davis is live in Warren County as Mohammed Laghaoui was sentenced. Larry.
Hi, Cammie. An assistant prosecutor told the judge today that Deputy Katie Barnes came within a fraction of an inch of losing her life. So when Mohammed Laghaoui was sentenced to 36 years in prison today, there was a collective sigh of relief that this whole ordeal, this case, could finally be put to rest. As has been his posture throughout his legal proceedings, Mohammed Laghaoui never looked up as he walked into the courtroom. He was convicted for shooting and wounding his father and Deputy Katie Barnes at a Deerfield Township apartment complex last June. Prior to sentencing, Deputy Barnes addressed Laghaoui.
The impact of your actions on our community, my fellow deputies, my family, and your family sickens me, but our lives go on.
Deputy Barnes said she would pray for Laghaoui and his family. Sheriff Larry Sims came to her side as she became emotional in thanking family and colleagues.
I'm a better daughter, friend, and deputy sheriff today because of this horrific incident. I have never had more pride wearing my badge, belief in this agency, and honor to be in the noble profession of law enforcement.
Laghaoui's father told the judge his son was sorry for his actions and asked that he help him. At first, Laghaoui ignored Judge Timothy Teep when asked if he had anything to say prior to sentencing. He finally answered.
Mr. Laghaoui, is there anything you'd like to tell me before I pronounce sentence? No.
And Cammie, that was the only word we heard from Mohammed Laghaoui during these entire proceedings. Now, defense attorney Nadim Qureshi told the judge that his client was indeed remorseful. In fact, he related a story, a conversation that he had with Laghaoui, and when he was asked about what happened that night, he said he described it as a catastrophe and a disaster. Live in Lebanon, Larry Davis, Local 12 News. Cammie, back to you.
Larry, thank you. Warren County Sheriff Larry Sims says his department can finally put this behind them. He says since Deputy Barnes returned to patrol in April, she has performed as well as she had before being wounded.